off. Let's go. Whoa. Away from civilization. Beautiful life. This is all about survival. Oh, there's my bow. We got a beautiful fireplace over there. Time to climb the big rock here. We were primitive men. We were considered to be the strongest men on earth. It's all deserted. There you see soil, a wolf, emu, and there you see there's a baby tiger, a snow leopard. Revivals don't go viral. This is beautiful. Got a new cut here. My peaceful and remote life. This is the perfect life here. From here, you enter the door. Yesterday I cleaned all the mess. Now it's clean and beautiful. Another door to exit from the location. Okay, my friends, that's my beautiful house. If you get closer to one window here, there's a beautiful window for air and for ventilating the smoke outside. Okay, there we go. There is the door over there. The door is here. Another window here. All right, see? This is a bushcraft survival shelter. It's all about survival. All right, we got a beautiful fireplace over there and a beautiful floor. The ceiling is open for fresh air, and yes, some shelves here, clean and tidy. All right, my brothers, that's a life here. Beautiful life. What do you think? There you see, guys, these are the pots. I keep them in the rain over there, and then the water is stored in these stone pots. Guys, do you like my attire? And some of the clothes I made by my hand, from my own creativity. Okay, this thing here, the bow. This is the bow here. Archery for hunting and stuff like that. Okay, this is all about survival. There's a beautiful shelter, and that keeps me warm during the chilly weather, during the rain, during the winter. In summer, it also keeps us cold. Let's go inside. I got a problem. If I go with this bow, then there are chances that this bow may hit the door. Problem will occur. Oh, there's my bow. You see that? The stick goes in here, and then you just pull it and just drop it. A beautiful bow from the primitive times. So let's go reverse into the shelter. Okay. Oh, we are officially inside this. Hey. Oh. Okay, this way you come out, and that way you go inside. Successfully. I'm outside the shelter. Amazing. Let's go from the exit door and let's go to the side. It's a beautiful huge rock, and that belongs to Wild Wookiee Films. And there is where I live. It's time to go up there. On the cliff. No, on the rock. Time to climb the big rock here. That's what it is. Primitive people were strong. So, it's okay. See, that's my beautiful shoes. Rubber shoes. Okay, fine. It's too windy. Hey! Climbing, man. We're officially getting on the top, and surprisingly we got something new here. See, grass. Finally, my boys, on the top. See, there are very few trees here due to no water. This area got no water. It's all turned into desert. And there are certain holes here. Ooh, holes. Big holes. On the huge rock you will see my name. Wild. There you go. Wild walking here. On the huge rock. Brothers, that's our life here. On the beautiful rock. This thing is also there. Hey, what a mystery, my brothers. Oh, a bike, you okay? Fine. Very peaceful life, man. All my tears coming out. I don't know what's wrong with the air. A perfect rock for sleeping. Okay, it's time to go down. Climbing down. Oh, crazy climbers. Just running down the mountain. I'm scared. It's all right. Okay, let me tell you some history about this region. History. Hole, black hole. What is inside that hole? Hey! Yesterday, we were all primitive people, and today, turned modern. During the kingdom times of the Hunza imperial rules, Hunza Valley is a mountainous region in the northern Pakistan, in the Pakistan-Chinese-Afghanistan border. Some say it also touches the Tajikistan and Russia border. I'm not sure, but they may be right. That time, this was our culture. We were primitive men. We were hunters, gatherers, collectors. But now life has changed for everybody. Depending on machines, it's time to revive. One man is a change. So let's introduce our cultural elements in the clothing, in the lifestyle, so we can represent or we can revive. Revivals don't go viral. People don't watch it. We were kings and queens, prince and princess, and we were slaves in the olden days. But trust me, that was not slavery. That was a system where everybody can contribute. Even slaves can contribute. They were not slaves, but they think they were slaves because they were giving tax in the olden days when in this area the king of Hunza ruled. But no, nobody ruled, man. It's only on your brain. This was a beautiful country, a beautiful state, like the United States of America, or the kingdoms of the kingdom, United Kingdoms. But we did not like freedom. We think people from outside the land will come and tell us that your system is corrupt, your system is synchronized, is paralyzed. So we got inspired by not knowing what we were before. We were strong. We were considered to be the strongest men on earth. But after joining some other foreign invaders or countries, now we are weak. Like a week. Like 7 days we are very weak. And the Sunday, Monday, we wait for another weakness. Philosophical intricators now on a rock, regretting about the kingdoms. Off, let's go! Whoa! Man, you jumped. It means you still have the blood of the kings. Alexander, they say Alexander came here. I'm not sure. I don't look like Alexander. Or do I? Do I look like Alexander? Enough to enough. Let's go down the hills. Down the rock. That's very scary. See? Okay, there we go. Hey, nice. Almost done, my boys. Nice. You're a rock climber. Now just back from the top. Down to the base. This is a bird village. Bird dry village. This is a Shabot side. Shabot village is very dry. It's all deserted. Desertifications. See? Then you see. Hole. Soil. Hey. There's the lion's den. Maybe I'm a lion. Oh. What's this? A wolf. And that is... Baby, say something. If I get enough money, then I'm gonna build another cave here. Maybe surround this wall. Another beautiful cave coming soon. Here, here, here. Alright, I got a petroglyph drawing here. That time my name was Emu. And there you see, there's a baby tiger, a snow leopard. That's what primitive men do. It took me like 24 or more hours just to draw this beautiful snow leopard on the stone. I can do this. I can remove it and turn it into another petroglyph. The more you write, the more easier it gets for me to do it again. So we can use the water. Oh shit. Okay, let's open the water tank. There we are. Spider webs and dead insects. That time. Frogs used to live here, but no water, no frogs. That's crazy. What do you think? It's time to revive them. Survive. Close them. Time to go in my another shelter. You ready? Time to go to the 0 point. You might be wondering, where are we now? 0 point. They have made some toilets here for the beautiful tourists, so they can come and bullshit here. They already polluted the area, now they're gonna bullshit it. Crazy initiative whatsoever. Primitive man doesn't want toilets. They fertilize the land like they plant the trees. That's what we do. We used to stand here and watch the Basu Cathedral sunset, and now there is no view left due to this. What is this facility? Wash facility whatsoever, my boys. Introducing you to the wash facility. I don't know why you've just put these bars everywhere. Crazy. Here, see, it's all modern, turned into luxury. Hey, let's go check the washroom. It's already locked. Locked toilet. See, from here, you got the view. But from the back side, you got no view at all. Wash facility, tourist potential point, 1.747 million. Spending 1.474 million on this thing. Better! You plant some trees here and water those dead plants and bushes. This is my last time visiting such places here, because they have destroyed, ruined the beauty of the nature by building such architecture here. Hey, I'm not gonna come here again. If I come, I'll better go from the mountain and reach to the 0 point over there. Why are they not looking at the landscapes before designing such buildings? Why? building such architectures can only ruin the beauty of the mountains, of the hills, of the glaciers. So be careful, boys. This is not your property. It all belongs to the God. Don't ruin the beautiful natural nature which God has given us. We need to protect it. Okay, I reached this side. Now I'm gonna park here. Okay, there we go. This is another beautiful shelter. Revivals don't go viral. All right, time to park the bike somewhere, maybe to the side. So then I will go to that shelter. All right, time to go there. Okay, here I park my bike. Now going there. Right, let's go. I can ride with my kalosh. Okay, going up there now to see the beautiful shelter. This is natural, supernatural. No artificial buildings made from cement and stuff. Hey, hey, hey. There we go, boys. Finally. This is called the hidden shelter. This is beautiful. See, this belongs to me. Peaceful and relaxing. But shockingly, got something there that's made of cement. Oh, I ruined the beautiful nature. There's a bird on the top. Flown away. So, see, man, this thing is all deep, very deep. Nice. Can build a wall as well. It's time to revive this shelter one more time. Let's build the walls. Make it a better place. It's a bushcraft survival shelter. I'm going to rebuild this tomorrow, guys. Alright, my friend, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Today was just a tour going to places. But from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to work on the shelters, rebuild them. It's all about wilderness survival. We're going to survive here. Yeah, there are also shelters over there, that side, here, and down there. A lot of shelters. Guys, if you like this video, share, comment, like and subscribe to Wild Walkie Films for videos like this.